Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to my channel, me Shelly B. I know it has been a long time since I've been here. Anyway, lots been going on for over a month now. Some of you know what I've been going through. Car accident. My mom is still in the hospital. It's been over a month. So I just haven't felt like being on here, happy, and you know. But anyway, I thought I'd do a little mukbang. A little mukbang. This thing has spelled so many times, y'all. It's getting on my nerves. Anyway, so I got me some food from Burger King. The Burger King food. Got a root beer, I got some fries, I got a Whopper, and I got a 10-piece nugget. Some different sauces to try. Honey mustard. I don't even think I like their honey mustard too much. But, yeah, I'm going to try it. And I got some barbecue sauce. And I also got my chicken dipping sauce, just in case I don't like these other sauces. Some ketchup for my fries. So yeah, I've been really out of it, and my neck is still hurting. Now I have to start physical therapy, which I do not want to do. Not a fan. Anyway, I got to do what I got to do in order to get better. So much has been going on with my family and COVID. I tested negative, thank God. But it's been so much since the beginning of December. Like I said, some of you know what's been going on because you've been keeping in touch with me and checking on me. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love y'all so much for taking the time to check on me and ask about me and my family. This is the honey mustard, y'all. I appreciate y'all. Soulful Eats, Living Life with Lisa. Rome's Eating and Conversations. Who else? Oh, Andy. I forget what Andy's last name is, but she's been checking on me a lot on Instagram. Thank you so much, Andy. I appreciate you so much. Other people have been checking on me as well. I know I skipped some names. I'm sorry, y'all, but got like some brain fog going on. I did just get some good news though. My mom might be getting moved to rehab next week, so that's a plus. That's what the call was just about, Kev. That's a plus. She might be going to rehab next week out of the hospital. One step closer to home. Yes. That was my son I was just talking to. Santina Love has been checking on me. Sorry, just a lot of different people, y'all. I see, look, I have nothing on, no makeup, nothing. Just haven't felt like it. I did do a ASMR video for my ASMR channel. I did do one of those because I didn't have to talk, didn't have to really show anything but my lower part. I also have been doing a couple of shorts on here. I just feel so like discombobulated. Like I have to reacquaint myself with my channel and with YouTube. And I hope y'all forgive me for disappearing for over a month, but I just, it is what it is, you know? Felicia, love you, love you, love you. I'm sorry, Rome's eating in conversations. Talked to her on the phone. She's been a great support system since the beginning. Prayers and everything. Her and her mom praying for my family. Thank you so much. Please, y'all, don't get offended if I'm forgetting to call you out and thank you, because a lot of you have been in my comments concerned about me, hoping that I'm okay and praying for me, and I thank all of you, each and every one of you. But I just wanted to say a special thank you to the ones who have been DMing me. And Felicia, we actually talked on the phone. But I'm sure we'll continue to do so. This is my first time eating takeout since the beginning of December, y'all. That's a big old onion right there. Whopper. Whopper without cheese. The onions are super big. So I don't know if I want to say I'm back, because this is just like a little impromptu update. I don't like that honey mustard. It doesn't even look like honey mustard. It's not good. I don't think I'm gonna eat all of this either. Anyway, y'all, once I'm able to get my thoughts together, and know everybody to thank individually, but I'm going to try and make a note of it. And I mean, because everyone all of you have been asking. So trust me, I don't want to leave anyone out. There are, I don't want to say everyone, but a lot of you have been asking. You know who you are. I thank y'all so much. And just continue to pray for me and my family. And my neck. I must have been hungry because I don't really like Burger King fries. And I ate all of them. I think that was a large. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all again. I had just happened to stop and get some Burger King coming back from getting the estimate done on my car. So I said, hey, why not do just a little quick? It was going to be quicker than this. I was just going to show my food and say, you know, Burger King food, then put it as a short. But since I got the good news about, excuse me, about my mom, as I was setting up to record, I got that news about my mom. So I said, hey, I might as well go ahead and just try and do a little video. Let y'all know how I'm doing. This is going to be messy. All right, y'all. Thank you so much, y'all. Love you. See y'all on the next one. That's messed up. I forget how I was closing out. Bye-bye.